Today we're going to show you how to do a GPU reflow on a PlayStation 3 that has the yellow light of death. The cause of the yellow light of death would be the solder, the lead-free solder inside the GPU that connects the GPU to the motherboard. So what we're going to do, we're basically going to reheat the GPU to 420 degrees application heat and 180 degrees base heat. We do offer the services at Skynet Computers located here in Houston. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 832-688-9993 and we will start the procedure. In this case, we use infrared heat. It's suggested that you use hot air. I like infrared better. The heat does not spread throughout the motherboard and affect other components. That's how it's done. Once you reach the operating temperature of 420 degrees, you let it sit for about 30 seconds at that temperature. Once you do that, you gradually decrease the temperature. Do not just stop it. Gradually decrease it. This way you won't cause any shock to the motherboard. Like I said, if you have any questions, please visit us on Facebook, look us up on Google, or give us a call anytime. Thank you very much, and thank you for using Skynet Computers.